All right, guys, let's go. We're gonna make this easy homemade marinara from scratch. Like any good sauce, start off by chopping 1 onion. Saute that up. This pasta dish is gonna go with some air-fried broccoli. So all I'm gonna do is chop it up, add a little olive oil, seasoning, and put it in the air fryer. Simple as that. Don't forget to stir those onions, and then we're gonna open up all those cans that we bought the other day at the grocery store. So, like I said, we're gonna chop about 1 to 2 carrots and throw that in there for a little extra sweetness. Don't forget to add some garlic to that. And yes, we are using Banza pasta, which is gluten-free. That pasta right there is for the kids. Add your sauce all at once after those onions are sauteed and bring it down to a simmer. We're gonna add some chopped basil and chopped oregano. You don't have to finely chop this because we're gonna blend it all at the end. Season it all again, and just about a teaspoon of sugar add to that. That's gonna take out some of the acidity. And yes, I am adding some pasta water to this. Blend, blend, blend. A little more seasoning. Perfect. Now we're gonna get a saute pan, a little olive oil, throw that broccoli in there. Add that Banza pasta. Stir that up. And then we're gonna start adding the sauce slowly. You don't wanna add too much and don't wanna do too little. Can you smell it from there? It's delicious. Look at this. We're gonna finish it off with some freshly grated Parmesan. Voila.